Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's day 2, Game Ring Garage. Got some more packages in the mail. I'm gonna let you find out what they are with me. If you watched yesterday's unboxing, you probably know what it is or what it's going to. Another nice day today. This one don't have so many of these staples. Let's see those. I really love these staples. Smells like rubber. Two more airbags. I think that's all that's in this is 2 airbags. Yeah, 2 more airbags. This is package number 1. Staple game is real. This will be the last unboxing. I'm pretty sure this is the last of the stuff. I did order some new upper control arms just because mine are rusted out. So I'm going to have to put the shit on anyway. I might as well put some new control arms. Piece of cardboard, that's good because protected stuff inside. More of this. Alright. Some nice welds on there. This is a 4-link suspension. This is going to be one of the brackets. So there are all kinds of I'll show my bag mounts in here too. There's my rear bag mounts. More 4-link suspension. And here's one of the 4 links. Looks like pretty good quality. Bushings and everything. Adjustable. And that'll go something like this here, wherever you decide to weld it, you know. And then you have one on the other side, obviously. This is pretty good. I enjoy the welds on it, looks nice. This one looks a little bit better. But I'll paint these all. These aren't painted, so I'll paint these all before we put them on to keep them from rusting out. Yep, that's it. Bits and pieces and parts. And hopefully the next video you see regarding this will be installing all this stuff. Thanks for watching.